Hi guys, welcome back to the Vanity. So today what we're going to do is another declutter series. If you've seen this intro before, that's because I'm using it for all of the rest of my declutters. The rest of my makeup, I'm just kind of wanting to go through drawer by drawer or sort of product bunch by product bunch, and it may not be enough to do a full video on. So I just wanted to film them and then I can add them all in if I want to or break them up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we're back at it. I have all my priming type products, which I know this seems kind of like a lot of primers, but I'm not actually big on primers. So I'm kind of surprised that I have as many as I do, but I have been working hard to go through the ones that I have. I just wanted to check my drawer. I had one more little sample guide that I got and this that I had just recently got, so I had to add those. Okay, so first off, what I know for sure I'm going to have to get rid of is this hydrating primer by e.l.f. This has gone bad, it smells terrible, and I didn't even really get to use it. I'm not sure why it went bad so quickly. I mean, I know I had it for a while, but it's not like I had been using it, so I'm just surprised. And the texture of it's just off, so that's going to have to go. Next up, I think, let's see here. This is going to stay. I really like the Master Prime, the Blur and Illuminate. It's got a really pretty pearly pink type of finish to it, and I think it just does a really good job on the skin, so I'm definitely going to keep that guy. And then there's the Master Prime Blur and Smooth. I don't think this one has any shimmer to it. No, but it feels really nice on the skin. And it smells okay. Let's check the date. And this still seems good, so I'm going to keep that. This as well, I'm going to keep, this is from the cream, or the Face Shop. I got this when I went to New York. It's their Pore Tightening Cover Cream. And to me, really what it looks like is just like a pore filling type of product. So it comes in this big jar, but it feels similar to, like, a little bit similar to the NYX pore filler, and it's just got like that really like smooth type of feeling to it. So usually after I go in with like this one, like a highlighting or shimmering type of primer, I will just go over it with this in my nose, like my pore area. So I'm going to keep that guy. This one I'm going to keep because I really haven't tried. I just got that with my order, and I'm definitely going to keep the Bare Minerals Prime Time. I feel like this works really well with their powder foundation, so it's kind of a must if I'm going to be using that foundation. This L'Oreal Use Code Skin Illuminator. It's tinted all-in-one moisturizer. I think this is expired, and yeah, it says 2017, so it's definitely expired. It didn't seem like it went bad, but I'm pretty sure if it has an SPF in it, now the SPF is not going to be any good, but it doesn't smell bad at all, and it kind of color changes as you're putting it on, so it has a little bit of coverage. So I'm kind of bummed that it expired, but I did get it on a clearance, so I feel kind of, maybe that's why it was on clearance in the first place. But it doesn't smell bad, but I think seeing that it's past its prime, I'll just go ahead and get rid of that. My skin has enough breakouts on its own. I don't need to contribute. I'm going to keep the Covergirl one. This is their new Vitalist Go Glow. I think that this will be the next like shimmery under the skin primer that I use. I really like that. Of course, I'm going to keep this as well. This is the BECCA Backlight Priming Filter. I had a little sample of this and I really liked it. And I can't remember how I ended up with this. I think it was like a little kit that came with something else, but I really like that one. The NYX Angel Veil. Let's see. It doesn't have an expiration date on it. I haven't really used this all that much because I had another one of these Makeup Forever ones, not that exact one, but I just finished that and it took a long time. Yeah, and see, this one's kind of, it feels kind of like a hybrid of like something like this and something like that. And it smells good, so I'm still going to keep that. I actually don't really care for the Porefessional all that much. It's very similar to this, and seeing that I have this big jar, I'm going to go ahead and declutter this. I don't even know, no, that doesn't have a seal on it, so I'm not sure if I've squirted any out or not, so I'll have to just pass that on instead of putting it in a giveaway. The Tarte Brighter Days, this is like an illuminating primer type of thing, and I'm definitely going to keep that. This one has more of like a really light shimmer to it. The Master Prime is definitely a little bit more intense, so I feel like this is really good for like a no makeup day. Just toss that on, maybe with, you know, like if I'm just going out to the pool or something like that to give my skin a little bit of a glow. Then I've got this Covergirl Outlast All Day Primer. I really don't notice too much of a difference when I use this on my skin, and it seems more of just like a moisturizer than anything. So I think I am going to declutter this one. Yeah, because it's a little bit similar to the NYX Angel Veil, but the Angel Veil feels like it's got a little bit more pore filling ability to it, so I need that more, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Seeing that I've not really used this one at all or given it a chance because I had a bit size like, because I had this one in this size, I am going to keep, I'm going to keep this one for sure. I am going to keep this one. Then we've got just these sample guys here. So I'm not doing too good, but that's okay. So we've got the Illuminating Primer Base, and then this Burberry Fresh Glow Luminous Fluid Base, and then the Correcting Primer Illuminate and Glow. Because it's a little sample pack, I'm just going to keep that. And honestly, I'm just going to keep these two as well. Let me just swatch them. Maybe that will give me an idea. Not like it matters because they're just tiny little samples, but we'll try it out. So the Burberry one feels more like a lotion. And the Cover FX one, they're so similar on the skin. Like I can't really even tell the difference. Nah, I don't think that those will take very long to use up. So I'd rather use them than just pass them on just to pass them on. So I'm only going to get rid of these 4 here, and I'm keeping everything else above. It's not terrible. These 2 are going to get tossed. These 2 can get passed on. And this one's almost empty, so then I'll pick another one to work on and start kind of panning that or using that, because I kind of do that. I keep the mental go of what I'm trying to use up. But all right, guys, that concludes this declutter episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you do want to be notified for my videos whenever they upload, I'm sure you've been told by every YouTuber, but just ring that little bell and YouTube will send you notifications on my videos. And I hope you guys do that. Thanks again for taking time out of your day and watching my video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.